Good morning, 12th, 11th students. Chemistry part 2, our lesson number 10, S block elements. Today I am starting our part 4. In 3 lectures, I taught you up to 10.3. Now 10.4, here in earlier lectures I completed up to here. Okay. Now 10.4 is not in your course. 10.5 is also not in your course. I am starting with 10.6, that is group 2 elements and earth metals. See, in first portion we did group 1 element alkali metals. Now group 2 elements are called alkali earth metals. Okay. Group 2 elements of alkaline earth metals. Okay. Now these elements have 2 electrons in the s orbital of valence shell. Table 10.2 I will show you first. See, in group first, in outermost orbit only 1 electron. Okay, 1s1, 2s1, 3s1, like that. Okay, that was in group first. In group 2, outermost orbit contains 2 electrons. Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, like that. Okay, so outermost orbit of s is filling with the 2 electrons. The general EC may be represented as noble gas. General for the, we can say, noble gas. And then we can say NS2. N means 1, N is equal to 1, means 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, like that. But after noble gas. If 10, then neon. Now I will show you the elements in table, that is beryllium Be4, 1s2, 2s2, magnesium 12, so neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 fully occupied 10, then 3s2. Then calcium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, then 4s2. Okay, like that. Strontium, barium and rhodium. So this is the EC. Okay, EC means now 2s2, 3s2, 4s2. I will show you ki 3d10 why it is coming earlier and 3s2 why it is coming afterwards. That is another reason. Okay, then 5s2, then 4s2, 5s2, 4s2 up to 5s2. This is 4s2, 4s2 up to 5s2, then 6s2 and 7s2. Okay, now we will discuss about the atomic and ionic radii. I am discussing with atomic radii and ionic radii of group 2 element. Now the atomic and ionic radii of the alkaline earth metals are smaller than those of corresponding alkali metals in the same periods. This is due to the increased nuclear charge in these elements. Within the group, the atomic and ionic radii increases with increases in atomic number. See, corresponding alkali metals. See, if I am discussing for beryllium, group 2, and here boron, it is group first, and this is group 2. Okay, so boron is having only 1 electron. Okay, 1s2, 2s1. But here the filling of 2s2. So this is smaller in comparison. Okay, this atomic are ionic radii. In comparison, group 2 smaller than group 1. Okay, why? Because 2 electrons are free, so they are coming close to the nucleus. In the same period, I am talking about the same period. Okay, now in group, as you are knowing, going to increase. Why? Because the distance between, see, 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, so distance is going to increase. So atomic and ionic radii is going to increase in group. But for the period comparison, group 2 is having smaller atomic radius than group first. Okay, now I will show you all the features in table 10.2. Atomic number. What is the atomic number? See, beryllium 4, magnesium 12, calcium 20, strontium 38 and barium 50. Then I will show you atomic mass of Av. Then Ec, earlier I discussed here. But you put the noble gas. You put 2s2, 3s2, 4s2, 5s2, 6s2, but put noble gas. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, etc. Okay. Then ionization enthalpy I am going to discuss now. Now what is the ionization enthalpies? Ionization enthalpies means to remove the electron from outermost orbit. See, in group first, easily to remove, but here the 2 electrons are there. So the alkaline earth metals have low ionization enthalpies due to fairly large size of the atoms. Since the atomic size increases down, see, atomic size increases down the group, their ionization enthalpies decreases. See, in group it takes higher, here low comparison to this, low comparison to this. So as the distance increases, easy to remove the outermost electron from outermost orbit. Okay, so the first ionization enthalpy of alkaline earth metals are higher than those of the corresponding group 1 metals. Okay, why higher? Because 2 electrons hard to remove from outermost orbit. It is interesting to note that the second ionization enthalpies of the alkaline earth metals are smaller than those of corresponding alkali metals. Okay, see, in first group, first electron easy to remove, but second higher, but here already 2 electrons are there. So first IE is higher than that of first IE is higher than that of second ionization. Okay, because if 2 electrons we are removing one, only remaining 2 easy to remove. So first ionization enthalpy is greater than that of second ionization enthalpy in group. Okay, so you can see ionization enthalpy decreases. Now ionization enthalpy second decreases. Now hydration enthalpy. Next our topic is hydration enthalpies. Now in group first also I discussed hydration enthalpies. So what is hydration enthalpies? Hydration enthalpies, like alkali first group metals, the hydration enthalpies of alkaline earth metal decreases with increase in ionic size down the group. Okay, so beryllium is having higher hydration enthalpy then corresponding in the group. So group first beryllium, then magnesium, so it is having higher hydration enthalpy. The hydration enthalpies of alkaline earth metals are higher than those of alkali metal ions. Okay, see, in comparison to the group, beryllium is having the first, so you can make the series like that: beryllium plus 2, Mg plus 2 greater than calcium plus 2 greater than strontium greater than barium. Okay, so this is the series. But in comparison to the group first, okay, I am telling about the group first comparison and group 2's comparison. The hydration enthalpies of alkaline earth metal ions are larger than those of alkali metal ions. Okay, so group 2 is having higher than group first. Thus compounds of alkaline earth metals, see, if we are making compounds of alkaline earth metals, are more extensively hydrated than those of alkali metals. See, group 2 elements MgCl2 hydrated and CaCl2 hydrated exist as MgCl2 6H2O and CaCl2 6H2O. So in comparison to the group first, they are more hydrated, while NaCl and KCl and KCl, they do not form such hydrates. Okay, so they are more hydrated. Okay, in this way I taught you 10.6 group 2 elements, alkaline earth metals, their EC, their ionization enthalpies and their hydration enthalpies up to 10.6.4. Now 10.65 physical properties are omitted. Okay, so 10.6.5 is not in your course. See, 10.6.5 is not in your course. Now our next topic is 10.66, that is chemical properties. Okay, chemical properties. So in next lecture I will show you how group 2 elements react. We will see the reactivity towards air and water, reactivity towards the halogens, reactivity towards hydrogen, and reactivity towards acids and reducing nature in next lecture. Afterwards 10.6.7 physical properties and uses are omitted. They are not in your course. Okay. Then 10.7 general characters of compounds of alkaline earth metal, that is also omitted wholly, this full 10.7. Then we will start 10.7 is omitted. So in next lecture again I will repeat 10.8 anomalous behavior of beryllium. Okay, like that I taught you the anomalous behavior of group first element. We will teach you, I will teach you anomalous behavior of group 2 element. Okay, afterwards 10.9 is omitted wholly, and then 10.10 is also omitted. Okay, so only two parts you have to see. 10.66, that is chemical properties. In tomorrow's lecture I will complete the lesson. What we have to see: 10.66 chemical properties, uses are omitted, general characters are also omitted. So this whole no problems also. From here I will show you the anomalous different behavior of beryllium with aluminum. Then this is also omitted, some important compounds of calcium, that is also omitted 10.9, and 10.9 10 is also omitted. So only two topics are remaining, that is chemical properties and anomalous behavior on. Okay, I hope students tomorrow I will complete the lesson, and you have to submit the homework. I will announce the date. Okay, so with me daily you have to make the notes, so you will not miss any portion. Okay.